this is Angie. Welcome to English speaking class, guys, girls, my students, shutao, listeners and viewers. Assalamu alaikum. Marhaba, sabal khair. Dear students, today we are going to view the change of voice of present continuous tense, change of voice, present continuous tense, negative statements and interrogative statements. अज़ीज़ तलबा, आज हम फ़ेल हाल जारी में मनफी और सवालिया जुमलों की वॉइस की चेंज देखते हैं। आइए इन जुमलों को क्वाइट जो हैं, रूल्स जो हैं, जो अप्लाई होते हैं उनके तहत इनकी चेंजेस को देखते हैं कि एक्टिव वॉइस से पैसिव में कैसे चेंज किया जाता है जुमलों को। लेट्स स्टार्ट आवर लेसन। Here my students, the first statement we have, you see, active voice is Sally is cheating her. Sally is not cheating her. Sally isn't cheating her. Sally isn't cheating her. Sally is a subject, is a helping verb, not is for negative sign. Cheating is a principal verb and her is an object. So you see, Sally is not cheating her. Sally is not cheating her. Sally उसे धोखा नहीं दे रही है. Sally is not cheating her. Sally is not cheating her. Sally is not cheating her. Sally उसे धोखा नहीं दे रही है. Sally is not cheating her. You see my students, by rules, when we make the changes to passive, this object and this subject will replace each other. They will change their positions. And you see here in passive, her is the objective form of she. So when it moves here in passive as a subject, we will write its subjective form, that is she. So she is not. After writing subject, we have to add is MR according to this subject in passive. So if the file is singular, subject is singular, we add is. If the subject is plural, we add as. So she is a singular subject and a pronoun. That's why we write as here, and not will stand as a negative sense. For passive, we will add being as the rules say. So she is not being. Now the principal verb is cheat. Its third form is cheated. And you see here, my students, passive voice statement is she is not being cheated. And connecting preposition by, and we will write here Sally as object, because by rules subject and object in the passive will replace each other in passive voice. So you see, she isn't being cheated by Sally. 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 उसे Sally से धोखा नहीं दिया जा रहा है. You see my students, let's move to the next statement. आइए अगले जुमले की तरफ बढ़ते हैं. You see the next one is Tom isn't taking tea. Tom isn't taking tea. Tom चाय नहीं ले रहा है. Tom चाय नहीं पी रहा है. A beautiful statement is commonly used in speaking. So Tom is not taking tea. Tom is a subject, is a helping verb, not is verb negative sense. Taking is a principal verb and tea is an object. Tom is not taking tea. Tom isn't taking tea. Tom isn't taking tea. Tom चाय नहीं ले रहा है. Let's see its change by applying the rules. You see my students, in passive, tea and Tom will replace each other. So you see here in passive voice, tea will stand here as a subject. It's a singular subject, so is added here. Tea is not for negative sense. Tea isn't being. Being is for passive continuity. So tea isn't being taken, and third form of take is taken. So tea isn't being taken by Tom. Tea isn't being taken by Tom. Tom will come here as an object in passive statement. So a beautiful statement again. Tea isn't being taken by Tom. Tea isn't being taken by Tom. चाय Tom से नहीं ली जा रही है. चाय Tom से नहीं पी जा रही है. Tea isn't being taken by Tom. Tea isn't being taken by Tom. चाय Tom से नहीं पी जा रही है. Here my students, a beautiful statement, isn't it? Let's see the next sentence. आइए अगले जुमले की तरफ बढ़ते हैं. You see the next statement is, are you playing hockey? Are you playing hockey? Are you playing hockey? This this is an interrogative statement, my students, and we have to make a bit correction here. You, why, you see here that we make a correction. So, are you playing hockey? Are you playing hockey? Interrogative sign. This is an interrogative sentence. ये एक सवालिया जुमला है और present continuous tense है. Are you playing hockey? क्या आप हॉकी खेल रहे हो? Are you playing hockey? क्या आप हॉकी खेल रहे हो? You see my students again. You is a subject, playing is the principal verb, and hockey is an object, and helping verb is in the start because it's a question interrogative sentence. And see the change in PV. When we make changes, the rules will remain as they are. And you see, hockey is to be stand here as a subject, so it's a singular subject. That's why we add is. So for interrogative statement, is written in the stat. So is hockey for passive being, is hockey being, and third form of play is played. Is hockey being played by whom? By is a connecting preposition. In all passive statements, by is added as the rules say. So is hockey being played by you, and the objective form of you is you. So objective form of you is the second person, and its objective form is you. That's why we will write here you as it is, and we will put here interrogative math, interrogative sign. So new statement we have, my students. Is hockey being played by you? Is hockey being played by you? क्या हॉकी आपसे खेली जा रही है? Is hockey being played by you? क्या हॉकी आपसे खेली जा रही है? Here my students, these are very interesting statements of negative and interrogative sentences in active and passive voice. Memorize all these active and passive statements and the method we have used by applying the rules. I wish you all the best. I'll see you again. Goodbye.